start again. It's a rich thing.
Yo, so hello, what's up, beautiful people? Yes, my name is Malik Sterling. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so guess where we are today? Today we came to the BOxPArk. Actually, this is not my first time here. This is my second or third time here. But today we decided to come for jet ski riding.
Abe's company, Abe's, you know?
Abe's, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Abe's
so just enjoy the experience and see how it all goes. Well, I have my life jacket on because I cannot swim properly, you know.
And he got a lifeguard behind him, you know?
Alright guys, see you, let's go.
Alright, guys, so welcome to the Abe's Marina, you know. Here we have jet skis, jet boats, paragliding. We have a whole lot of water sports activities going on here. If you want the kayaking, surfing, wakeboard, we get it all here. And for the jet skis, most people always ask about the prices. It's 250 real for half an hour and 450 for 1 hour. So today we're going for a ride with Malik Sterling, the weird guy. So you gotta be ready for some fun here, man. Peace out.
How you, man? Good. Yalla Habibi. So guys, trust me, this is a very beautiful experience. I've never had such experience. And at first I was scared or I was afraid, but it's okay, man. A black man has to do what a black man has to do, you know. Yalla! Woohoo! At this point, I think I need to confess all my sins because if something happens to me, I get forgiven, you know. Yalla, let's go! Right over there, that's the stadium made with just recycled containers, and it's so beautiful, right? So this is also one of the stadiums which will be used for the FIFA World Cup. Let's go check it out, man.
Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new.
So the ride was amazing. I'm wet already because I was supposed to come with, you know, short pants, but it's okay. I guess next time I'm going to come with something short, you know. But the ride was amazing. We got stopped a couple of times by the Coast Guard because there are some places we were not supposed to be because, you know. But all the same, it was amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing.